the car trigger. So hello guys to the car trigger team. What's your name?
Shane. His name is Shane. My name is Shoaib.
Shane? Shoaib.
Yes, both are
super. Okay.
So, most famous YouTuber of Bangalore, Mr. DV.
Thing like that. Thank you.
So, can please subscribe.
Subscribe to car trigger.
Yeah.
And I wish them all the best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Car Trigger. And today we are in the opening ceremony of the new Kawasaki showroom of Bangalore.
And that is Ride Venture Kawasaki in Whitefield.
Yes.
Kawasaki showroom. It's like 2 hours and now you can see the lineup.
Yes.
So, see the lineup. We have shown you the cinematic shots. So that is ZX14R Z900 Z800, one more Z900 over there, and this is the Versys.
And
I don't know.
Ducati Scrambler.
And yeah, this is Ducati Scrambler, and that's BMW's 5 Series. Okay. So there will be opening ceremony in after few times.
Yes.
So we will show you.
After few hours.
Yeah, we will show you the cinematic shots also. So we are waiting for more bikes,
Yes.
and we will continue.
Maybe more bikes will come.
The year is 1991. Birds and people are living together in seemingly perfect harmony. Until one day, a young man catches fire. This is Phoenix.
So hello guys to the car trigger team. What's your name?
Shane.
His name is Shane. My name is Shoaib.
Shane? Shoaib.
Yes.
Both are
Super. Okay.
So, most famous YouTuber of Bangalore, Mr. DV.
Thing like that. Thank you.
So can please subscribe.
Subscribe to car trigger.
Yeah.
And I wish them all the best.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so we are in Kawasaki showroom and we have another YouTuber with us.
Hi guys.
What's the channel name? Can you say?
It's our travel vlogs.
Yes.
Please do subscribe.
Yeah.
The link it will be in the description.
Yeah, he's also making nice stuff from here. Yeah. So please do subscribe.
Subscribe to his channel also.
Yeah. Okay, fine.
Wherever we go, we'll always know. From the highest mountain to the bottom of the ocean, yeah. Our song is
Just look, ZX10R and Yamaha RX. I think it's RX 155. So it's a great day. Bro, come in.
Hello.
So meet
Sir Solo.
Sir Solo.
Sir Solo.
Okay, so meet Sir Solo, and he's a very good Instagrammer. We came here and we are talking with him very lot. So he took lot of Instagram pics. You can see that all pics on that Instagram. That's the Duke 790. Okay, Sir Solo.
Yeah.
Can you
Please do subscribe to the channel. Kart Rigger will be really helpful. They're also growing. We also have to grow. We all start from young. So please help them grow. Thank you.
And please follow me on Instagram. I will give you the link in this.
The link will be in the description. Thank you.
In the description, please check.
Thank you.
Tell me what's your life. Go!
कौन करता है So that's it for today's guys. We hope you like this video. Make sure to hit that like button.
And comment down below.
Comment down below. And do follow.
Smash the subscribe button, please.
And do
Yes.
follow him. Given the link in description and Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe our channel and click the notification bell. Okay?
We will have a lot of collabs coming in soon.
Yeah.
Don't forget to miss it out.
Yeah. Railway is going on. Sorry for that noise. Okay, let's end this video. Bye.